Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I normally make 2 videos a week, but for the past week I have done zero filming because the new Legend of Zelda game came out. I'm making pretty good progress, so taking a little break to make a short video because my wife and we've been sitting at our computers every night playing Zelda. And I thought of Justin's comment. Let's go grab my desktop. I will take it apart a little bit and show you guys what's on the inside. Here is everything. I will try to go a little bit slow for anyone interested in what specific parts I have. The motherboard is an ITX, meaning for small computers. I would actually recommend the regular size ATX builds because you get more space, more options, and more bang for your buck. These prices are what I paid in 2019. Right before the pandemic. I got lucky because I know once the supply chain started to get a little bit backed up, people were struggling to get what they wanted. I don't think the battery is anything special. I got a bigger one for plenty of power. If I ever need it, it will be there. That is the case we went with because I just thought it looked good. We have Noctua fans. They are supposed to be the best fans, a big one and a little one. I don't have a traditional hard drive because there is no space for a hard drive. So we spent a little bit more to get a terabyte of an SSD. The amount of RAM should be plenty for if I ever need to multitask while doing video editing. Now for the stars of the show. I've been using Intel my entire life, but depending on who you ask, AMD cards are getting better and cheaper, so I made the switch. I do not know why I went with a 2060 Super, because none of the games we play are super high frame rate. But if we ever decide to, I will have a pretty decent graphics card. That is it on this half of the computer. We have a little fan down here. On the other half, we have the motherboard, RAM, processor in the middle down there. And underneath that, we cannot see from this angle, is the SSD. We got the big fan on the processor for plenty of cooling and the power source here with a little bit of cable management and some zip ties. I also took this opportunity to clean everything out a little bit because I don't think I've done that for like over a year. Hopefully I will beat Tears of the Kingdom soon and we will be back to our woodworking and longer videos. But for now, video number 147 done.